Changes in ownership classification. This query trigger enables you to find companies which have undergone changes in ownership in the specified time period. All the companies in Provis database are classified into ownership groups which are organized in a tree structure. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find out changes in ownership of BSE 100 companies. To find out changes in ownership of BSE 100 companies, you need to follow 6 simple steps. The first step is to go to Select Companies in Predefined Sets query trigger and select S&P BSE 100 available under BSE indices. You can then execute this query by clicking on Send to New OSC under Execute option. The second step is to go to the Ownership Classification query trigger and select the radio button from the top of the query trigger, Query on Changes in Ownership. The third step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. L is the default setting. Let us retain the default selection. The date formats used in the query on dates are explained in the help on dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the query on dates box. The fourth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, all companies and companies in current OSC. Selection of the domain all companies means search is conducted over all the companies available in the Provis database. Selection of the domain companies in current OSC means search is conducted on the companies available in the current output sheet. Let us choose companies in current OSC as our domain. This is because we already have BSE 100 companies in the current output sheet. The fifth step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. Let us select WS output destination in this case. The sixth step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to run your query. Since we have selected companies in current OSC as our domain, we can select any one of 3 execute options. These are Add to current WS, Send to new WS, and Replace current WS. Add to current WS will add the list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Send to new WS will create a new OSC and WS of companies satisfying the criteria in the query trigger along with the data. Replace current WS will replace the contents in the current OSC and WS with the companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Let us click on Send to New WS option. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that 2 outputs OSC and WS have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display BSE 100 companies and data of changes in ownership of BSE 100 companies for the latest available record.